How to export Outlook Calendar to CSV. First, open your Outlook application. Then go to the File tab and select the Open and Export menu. From there, click on the Import/Export option to launch the Import and Export wizard. In the wizard, choose Export to a file and click Next. Next, select Comma-Separated Values (CSV) and click Next again. Now choose your calendar from the list. You can also select a specific calendar if needed and then click Next. Click on the Browse button, select the destination where you want to save your calendar file as CSV and click OK. After that, click Next to proceed. At this stage, you have the option to map your fields. For that, simply click on the Map Custom Fields option. Here, you can manually map your Outlook calendar columns with the CSV file columns. Otherwise, you can keep it as default by simply clicking on the Default Map option. Once you complete mapping, click OK. Now, click Finish to continue. A new window will appear asking you to set a date range. Select the time period for the calendar data you want to export and then click OK. That's it. The export process will now begin. Once completed, your calendar data will be saved as a CSV file in your selected location. You can open the file to verify the results, and you'll see all your schedule details neatly organized into separate columns. And that's it. That's how you can easily export your Outlook calendar to a CSV file. Thanks for watching.